Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I just got some things done today, like I went food shopping and I went to the post office, took my dog for a walk, and played a little bit with my son. So there's a piece I'm gonna start finishing. I did some recording of it last night. I did a drawing of Stranger Things, and it's a show I'd never really thought I'd get into because I'm not a big fan of horror or anything like that, but I like the kind of 80s theme to it, and kind of, I guess, like you could call it like Goonies feel thing to it. Yeah, so I decided to start making an artwork piece for it. I'll probably be putting it up on the shop as well when I'm done, and yeah, I can't wait to see how it turns out. I worked on it a little bit last night before I went to bed, and I really like the way it's coming out so far. I just had to go in and change the coloring of the lines, and yeah, I think it's gonna look really cool actually. Okay, I think I'm done. Now I'm gonna do a test print and see how it comes out.